No, it's a pleasure to be back here, and we hope you enjoy the show tonight. We're going to do a lot of songs, old ones and new ones, and in between. What, honey? What did it say? What do you want? You just tell me what you want. Come down here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Carl. I need a spokesman. Are you the one? Want a scarf? Is there anything else you want while I'm down here? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. You're going to have to work for it, baby. I ain't giving you work for nothing. Come back, baby.